Hey y'all, Jeff Dolski, Realtor and Auctioneer with Udoni Salen Realty Group. Just took a tour of this 608 East Alfred home on the edge of Weyauwega. I'm going to explain it in more detail, but first we're going to enjoy the fire that is located in the backyard of this sweet home. Have yourself a fire, roast some marshmallows, some dogs. So let's go take a look at this home, shall we? Check out this 3-bed, 1-bath, cute as a button, cozy Weyauwega ranch located on the edge of town. Within walking distance to the Waupaca County Fairgrounds, the Weyauwega-Fremont School District, and even grab some fresh cheese curds at Star Dairy. Move-in ready with a complete renovation in 2015, making it feel like a new build, including new siding, furnace, central air, flooring throughout, windows, cabinetry, counters, an updated bathroom, oversized deck, a new roof installed in 2022 to boot, large backyard, the aforementioned fire pit, and garden space. Poured concrete basement awaiting completion to add to living space to. Give me a call, Jeff Dolski, 715-935-0545 to check out this sweet Weyauwega ranch.